Welcome to Study Loop.
All right, you're given this function y, it's x squared minus 4x, and x equals 3 and delta x equals 0.5. And they want you to calculate delta y. And that, here, let me get this one, delta y and dy, but first let's do delta y. It means the actual real change in y as x changes from 3 to 3.5. All right, so it wants you to first figure out y at 3, and that would be 9 minus 12, which is minus 3. And then y at 3.5, and that'd be 3.5 squared. Get a calculator going here. 3.5 times, oops, 3.5 times 3.5 squared, 12.25 minus 4 times 3.5, 14, minus 1.75. Okay, so then delta y is y of 3.5 minus y of 3, which is minus 1.75 minus 3, 1.25. So if we looked at a picture of this, as we moved from x equals 3 to x equals 3.5, y would move and there would be a difference of 1.25 between them. Y would move from negative 3 to negative 1.75. Okay, now dy is the approximate change. In case it was too hard to find your calculator or whatever, approximate change in y as x changes from 3 to 3.5. And the formula for dy is the derivative at x times dx. Okay, dx is the same thing as delta x, so it's 0.5. So we got to find the derivative of that function. F of x equals, I forgot what it was already, x squared minus 4x, so 2x minus 4. So you want to find it at 3. How much was it at 3? So 2 times 3 minus 4, which is 6 minus 4, which is 2. And so dy is 2 times 0.5, which is 1. So we got delta y is 1.25, the real change, and our approximation is 1. So if you didn't have to get really close, then that's a good enough approximation probably. Okay, then it says draw a picture, like a picture somewhere else, I don't know. So you have this parabola, x squared minus 4x. So it's crossing the x-axis at 0 and 4. And it's got its vertex is halfway in between there. Okay, down here somewhere. So if we look here, that's f of 3, and then here's f of 3.5. Okay, and then the difference between the actual distance between them should be 1.25. And then if we draw this tangent line here, the distance between it and the point should be 1.